Hello guys, welcome back to Miko's Minis. I'm Miko. This episode is unusual. I will not paint anything or build anything. I will show you how you can easily store your miniatures without buying expensive shelves. This method is quite interesting, especially for small apartments. So let's get started. So for this one, you need this picture frame from Ikea, one long plastic bracket that you can probably buy in any construction store. These plastic triangles for shelves, you find them also in a construction store, and the double-sided tape. The first thing you need to do is open the plastic frame. You will find inside an additional frame, as you can see. Your goal is to measure the distance between those walls or those walls. It depends, of course, in which position you want to have this shelf. After you measure this distance, cut your plastic bracket to the wished size. After you cut your plastic brackets to the wished size, as you can see, mount with the double-sided glue tape those brackets with help of these plastic triangles to the walls. It will represent your shelves, and on the shelves itself you can mount your miniatures. Probably nearly all small miniatures from Games Workshop will paste in, because the deep of this photo frame is around 5 centimeters, so every small Games Workshop miniature will paste in. I deployed my Space Marines to the shelves, as you can see. I glued them with this double-sided tapes to the shelves, but you can of course use magnets. I have prepared a cool pick for the back of the frame. And now the last step is to put the whole thing together. And this is basically, guys, the end result. You have a nice, cheap shelf for your miniatures that will not be covered in dust, because in front you have this plastic glass. And the end result on the wall you will find, of course, at the very end of the recording. I hope you have enjoyed this one. If yes, please like and subscribe, or leave a comment at the bottom. Have a nice week, and till the next time. Bye bye!